Hey, welcome to Storytime with Will. I'm Will Sarris. Tonight we've got a story about manners. It's called No Slurping, No Burping, a tale of table manners. Evie and Simon always mind their manners. Sometimes they have to mind their father's manners, too. On Monday, Father pounds his silverware on the tables. "I'm hungry," he yells. "When do we eat?" "Let's mind our manners," Evie says. "First, we place our napkins in our laps. Next, no elbows on the table." "And no yelling," Simon adds. On Tuesday, Father eats a big bowlful of soup. Slurp. "Let's mind our manners," Evie says. "Don't start eating until everyone has their food." "And no slurping or burping," Simon adds. On Wednesday, Father reaches across the table for the salad. Whoopsie! He knocks over the dressing. Oopsie! "Let's mind our manners," Evie says. "Ask politely when you want something passed to you. Be sure to say please and thank you." "And no reaching," Simon adds. On Thursday, Father tries to wind all his fettuccine around his fork. Hee. Ho, 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 ho! He tries to fit all his mushrooms in his mouth. "Let's mind our manners," Evie says. "Food is for eating, not for playing. Take small bites." "And swallow before you speak," Simon adds. On Friday, Father is not hungry. "Minding my manners is hard," he says. "There are so many rules. My brain is full." "If you don't have room for manners, I guess you don't have room for a special guest," Evie says. "A special guest?" says Father. Ding dong goes the doorbell. "Hello, my darlings," says Grandma. "Let me take your coat," says Evie. "Grandma," says Simon. "Mother?" says Father. "I'm hungry," says Grandma. "Are we ready to eat?" "I'm ready," says Evie. "I'm ready," says Simon. "I'm ready," says Father. Father is on his best behavior. He puts his napkin in his lap. He keeps his elbows off the table. He doesn't yell. He waits to start until everyone has their food. He doesn't reach across the table. He says please and thank you. He doesn't play with his food. He takes small bites. He doesn't speak until he swallows. "That dinner was very tasty," says Grandma, "and very classy." "We've been minding our manners," Father says proudly. "Time for dessert," says Simon. "Chocolate coconut cake? My favorite," says Father. "Good behavior deserves a sweet reward," says Evie. "Nom, nom, nom. This is delicious," says Grandma through a mouthful of cake. "Let's mind our manners, Mother," says Father. Father's table manners. 1. Napkin in lap. 2. No elbows on the table. 3. No yelling. 4. Don't eat till everyone is served. 5. No slurping or burping. 6. Ask nicely for something to be passed. 7. Say please and thank you. 8. No reaching. 9. Don't play with your food. 10. Take small bites. 11. Don't talk with your mouth full. Those are some pretty good rules. Listen, I hope you enjoyed the story. And if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.